Welcome to homeworktracker.ca, an easy-to-use website that does exactly two important things: tracks your students' homework and sends emails to parents. To get started, create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. Add your email address and a password, and click Sign Up. Then click the Terms and Conditions. Once your account has been created, you will be prompted to start adding a class. You can add as many classes as you wish. You can also rename and delete classes. Once your class has been added, you can then start adding students. You can add students all at one time, or you can add them later on. And then add the parents' emails. You can also add emails later on by clicking on the student name. Parental emails can be sent to more than one parent by clicking the plus button. Once student names have been added, you can then add work. Added work can be in two formats. It can be in percentage format, where the student receives a percentage mark. It can also be in a checkbox format, which indicates that a student has completed a homework. Homework names can also be edited by clicking on the name and then changing it. To see how many pieces of homework a student has missed, simply click the name of the student, and it will indicate to you how many homework assignments have been missed by that student. Here we will click that John has completed the homework assignment, but that Sophie has not. And here we will add a percentage mark for Sophie and a percentage mark for John. To see how many homework pieces have not been completed by students, simply click on the title of the homework, and it will indicate how many students have not completed that homework assignment. Once you have finished adding students and work, you can then save your work, and saving can be done throughout the entire session. Now it is time to modify your letter that you will send to parents. Click Account and Settings. In the first bar is the name that you will put for the homework tracker email. In other words, when you send the automated messages to parents, parents will receive a message with this email address. If I want parents to reply to me, I can click the Reply To button. If I do not want parents to reply to me, I do not check the button, and parents will receive an automated email saying that they cannot reply to the email that you sent. By clicking this button, parents can then reply to me, and they will reply to the email address that you used when setting up your homeworktracker.ca account. In this next box, this applies to the percentage homework. If you use 50, any homework piece that has received less than 50%, those parents will be notified that the homework has been incomplete or that it is below the set level. You can change this to anything that suits your needs. Homeworktracker.ca provides 4 different parameters for your email. The name parameter automatically inserts the name of the student. The class parameter automatically inserts the name of the class. The work parameter automatically inserts the name of the homework, and the date parameter inserts a date of your choice. You will be prompted for the date before you send the email. The actual email can be edited in any fashion. In this instance, name will be the student's name, did not hand in their work. In this case, the message says your child with the name of the student in my class, which would be French, failed to complete their assignment named grammar. That was due on, and this would be a date that I would be prompted for. I can also remove or add any of this information to suit my needs. I can leave your child name in my class failed to hand in their assignment, and I can remove the work name if I so wish. That was due on a specific date. Once you have finished your email, click the Save button. To send emails, I can click on the email, the homework assignment I would like to send. For example, here, grammar test. I can click this. It indicates that I have one student who has not handed in their homework, and click Send Emails. I will be asked for the date on which I want to send it. It can be the date that the homework was created, or the date that I send the homework, or any other date that you wish, and click Confirm. Emails are then automatically sent to parents. An email has been sent to Sophie's parents in this case. And when I click the email, it says, Sophie did not hand in her work. Your child Sophie in my class French, or my French class, failed to hand in their assignment that was due on October 21st. Homework Tracker can also be used in French, and the French settings are located at the bottom right-hand corner of homeworktracker.ca. No other homework tracking website currently exists. Homeworktracker.ca is simple and powerful to use. It will keep you and your parents up to date as to completed student assignments.